Well, I learned about the volunteer car service at WAST via work. I used to work for the Welsh Blood Service before I took early retirement, and I heard that people were struggling to get to hospital appointments, and I knew I was going to have some time on my hands, and I thought, oh, you know, why not give this a go? And that's exactly what I'd done. I thought I'd just jump in my car and away to go, like, and help out. My very first one, which gave me a bit of confidence, was I was out with somebody. Somebody was sat in my car, but he was making sure I was doing the job correctly. I've been a buddy for a few people now, you know, taking newcomers out and showing them the system. It's really good. When I got the uniform on, I feel empowered. I feel like I'm really doing a good job. People show you a bit of respect when you get to the hospitals, because as you can see, we got to wear the similar clothing to ambulance people, so we are classed as ambulance drivers. Which is really good, especially when you try and get into a hospital, and because you've got signs on your car. I can park wherever an ambulance can park. You just whip your sign out there where you go, yep, I work for the ambulance, that's me. I get some fantastic feedback from the patients. I think it's a great service, and I hope if anything happens to me, that service is there for me as well in the future. I would encourage others to volunteer because you feel as if you're doing something special, you're helping others. Very, very, very rewarding, and the feel-good factor is fantastic. I know when I get up in the morning, if I'm taking people to Velindre, for instance, I know they're going to Velindre because they're really unwell, and the little part I do, I hope it makes a difference. That's the reason why I do it.